Welcome back. So now let's go to the next question of stats and probs. We only have 3 more questions to go. So go for it. Alright? Now let's go to item number 48. Team A Season 5. Letter A. The Galao Go Kids together with Sia, Casey, Yesha, and Andre are going to dance several of their favorite hip-hop songs. 5 songs will be played and each kid has to dance to it. Same dancers are allowed. Find the probability that the females participated thrice. Yan. So this one, in this concept, there are Team A kids who will dance to their favorite hip-hop songs. And 5 songs will be played. So each song, ano yun, 1 Team A kid will dance. Diba? Same dancers are allowed. Ibig sabihin, like for example, si Casey ay mag-sayaw tapos si Casey sumaya ulit. So yan. So let's find that probability. So find the probability that the females participated thrice. This is a binomial experiment. So who are the Galao Go Kids in Season 5? We have, di ba remember, in Season 4, we have Nixie, JC, and Orange. Di ba? Pero na yun, sa Season 5, we have Nixie, JC, pero since wala na si Orange Bilguera, therefore, sino to? Our new dancer will be Lady Pipay. Also, dapat normally, si Lady Pipay, siya yung ay nasa stacks naman. Ngayon naman, si Lady Pipay ay nasa Galao Go. Because I didn't even know she loves dancing kasi eh. Kasi I thought kasi Lady Pipay is fond of cooking and making food. Pero I do not know ba Lady Pipay is also fond of dancing. So, yun. So, tama. She's so sweet. She's my crush. So, therefore, Sia, Casey, and Yesha. So, therefore, these are the kids, okay? So, the females participated thrice. So, ilan yung mga females doon? Si Lady Pipay, Sia is a girl, Casey, and Yesha. So, 4. So, therefore, it's 5C4. Diba? So, the formula is 5C4 times, ilan yung mga girls dito? There are, I mean 7C5 because there are 7 kids. And you're gonna choose 5 of them. Times 4 over 7 raised to the 3rd power. Times the boys will be 3 over 7 raised to the 2nd power. So, ito na yung probability distribution table ko. So, yan. Ito yun. Yan. So, ito na yung probability ko. So, ito yun. So, ito yung probability ko. Ang ginawa ko ay combine of 5C3 because there are 5 songs, diba? Wait. Nama ba? Kasi nga, diba remember, there are 5 songs. There are number of trials. The number of trials is 5. And then, the number of kids is girls, there will be 3. Diba? Successes. And then, there are 7 kids. 4C7. Because same dancers are allowed. And 3 over 7. So, therefore, out of the 5 trials, yun nga. And therefore, that's the answer. 34.27%. And then, sabi dito sa letter B, mean, variance, and standard deviation. So, to solve for the mean, the population times the probability of success. So, 5 times 4 over 7, which gives us 2.85. So, if we do this, di ba remember ang ginawa namin, we did this, di ba? Yun, di ba? And then we did the same sign here, di ba? And then we sum up everything up to give us 1. So, tama. And then we multiply by the product, we should get the mean of 2.85. So, yun yung mean. And then the variance is the mean times the Q, which is 3.7. And to do this in the shortcut method, ito yung ginawa ko. Yan, di ba? And then I work it out for the rest. Tama, the variance is 1.224. And then the standard deviation, you take the square root so you can get this answer. Very easy. Next, letter C. Based on the kids from question A, find the probability that a kid from story A will participate when the 4th song is going to be played. Sino yung mga bata ay nasa story A? Sia is from stacks naman. Casey is from sound check. Si Andre ay nasa gameplay. So therefore, si Yesha lamang ay nasa story A. So based on the kids from question A, Find the probability that a kid from story A will participate when the fourth song is going to be played. And that's a geometric probability distribution table. So therefore, the probability is 6 over 7 times 6 over 7 times 6 over 7 times 1 over 7. Yun yung sagot. Diba? Let's check if this is true. Yes, diba? And the answer is 9.0%. Grabe naman yung probability. Next, letter D. Based on the kids from question A, find the probability of letting a kid whose name has the letter Y dance before the third song is played. Ayan, that implies a hypergeometric probability distribution table. Pero based on the kids from Team A, di ba remember based on these kids, alin yung mga ngalan na may letter J? Si Nixie may letter J sa dulo. Si Lady Pipay may Y. Si Casey may Y din. At saka si Yesha. So 4 out of 7. So therefore, this is the probability. So therefore, in one trial, 4 out of 7 raised to the 0, raised to the 1 minus 1 power. And that'll give me this answer. So here's my solution. Yun, di ba? The probability of failure times the 1 minus 1 power equal times 4 over 7. Diba? If it's 1 yun twice, yun nga. Pero dito sa third song naman. Before the third song. Kasi nga sabi dito, before the third song. That means kahit sa first or second lamang. So that's how geometric probability distribution is implied. And then ang ginawa namin, sinam ko lahat. And therefore, the probability is 81.63%. Therefore, the probability of letting a kid whose name consists of the letter Y dance before the third song will be played is 81.63%. Yun yung sagot. Next, now let's go to the next item. For letter E, the gameplay kids, sound check kids, together with Althea, Zyren, JJ, and Caitlin are going to play Tumbang Preso. Ayan, alam mo yung Tumbang Preso? That's one of my favorite games, di ba? Tsaka alam ko nung batang-bata pa kayo, lalo na yung for the sake of the teachers out there who are teachers now in stats and probs, I'm sure naman nung bata pa kayo, dahil batang 90s kayo, so therefore, I'm sure you played that game, yung Tumbang Preso. So shout out to all the stats and probs teachers out there from different schools. So yan. So in this question, ang gameplay kids, sound check kids, together with Althea Guanzon, Zion De La Cruz, JJ, and Caitlin are going to play Tumbang Preso. They played for 7 rounds. Find the probability that Althea, or a gameplay kid, will become the it for 4 times. Alam mo ba sa Tumbang Preso, ang tawag sa ng it ay yung tao na nasa gitnaan. Di ba remember ko, pag nalaro ka ng Tumbang Preso, ang tao ay nasa gitnaan, tapos may nagaguard siya ng can, is what you call the taya, or the it. Tama? They played for 7 rounds, and in 4 of those rounds, dapat si Althea at saka si Zyren, si Althea at saka yung mga gameplay kids ay nasa it. Pero sino yung mga gameplay kids? Ang gameplay kids ay sina Marco Masa, Andre, at Robbie. Ang sound check ay sina Omar, Prince, and Casey Wonderland. Zyren was a gameplay kid before, pero now he's already in Artstig. Okay? So now let's find the probability. This one is a binomial probability distribution table. Okay? So now this is how we're going to do it. Ano yung N namin? Because remember, they're going to play for 7 rounds. And then 4 of those rounds, kailangan namin yung satisfaction ay 8. Okay? And therefore, out of the kids, si Althea at saka yung gameplay kids, they're 6 out of 10. 4 out of 10. Because there are 3 gameplay kids plus Althea Guanzon. So therefore, that's 4 out of 10. Ito yung formula ko sa probability. Ito yun. So here's my solution here. Yan, the product of the combination of 7C4 times 4 over 10 raised to the 4th power times 6 over 10 raised to the cube. Remember, the exponent must add up to the total n. Tapos yung yung probabilities, they must add up to 1. 4 over 10 dahil kasama yung gameplay kids at saka si Althea. Tapos yung 6 over 10 ay yung iba. And the probability is, yun nga, it is 19.35%. Yun yung sagot. Next, letter F. Same as letter E. Pero, hanapin mo yung probability that a recent Team A squad member or sound check kid will be an it not more than thrice. Okay, here's the plot twist of the question. Let's understand this in detail. a recent Team A kid. Di ba, remember when you say recent Team A squad member, ibig sabihin, yung kaka-Team A pa lang during that time sa Season 5. Kailan yung Team A Season 5? That's, 2020, di ba? And sino yung mga recent Team A squad members? Si JJ, si Caitlyn, si Prince, at saka si Robbie, at Chunsa. They are the recent Team A kids. Okay? So, di ba remember, ang gameplay si Robbie, ang soundcheck ay si Prince, JJ, recent, at Caitlyn. Pero sa soundcheck, kasama pa rin si Omar and Casey. We can't include Prince kasi nga you use common sense, kasama na si Prince doon sa, sa soundcheck at sa recent Team A squad member. So, therefore, hindi pwede kasama si Prince and Selen doon. So, if you use your common sense, that'll be 6 over 10. 6 over 10, 6 over 10. Okay? That is the probability of success. Tapos, yung failure ay 4 out of 10. Pero sabi dito, find the probability that they will be the it not more than thrice. Ibig sabihin, less than twice. Di ba? Remember, not more than thrice, ibig sabihin, 3 or less. 2 or less. Not more than thrice. Because when we say more than thrice, it's supposed to be 3, 4, 5. It's supposed to be 4, 5, 6, or 7. Pero not more than thrice, ibig sabihin less than 3. Less than 3. Okay? Pero kasama pa yung 3 din. Kasi yung sabi dito, more than thrice. Kung sabi dito, more than thrice, it's more than 3 times. Okay? Like for example, if you come to school more thrice already, if it's more, then you will get a warning. If it's more than thrice, of course, penalty ka na. Thrice and so on, kasama na yung third time, tapos warning ka na. So, yun. So, dapat it should be 0 to 3. Yun yung tanong dito. Let's check the probability solution. So, yun yung ginawa ko, di ba? Not more than thrice. So, ito yun. So, 7C0 times 610 raised to the 0th power because none of the satisfaction requires us. And then 7 minus 0 to give us 7. Yan, di ba? And we're supposed to get this answer. Tapos dito, kapag 1 naman. And then 2. Pero never mind, I didn't include the third and so on. Kasi sabi dito, not more than thrice. And then from there, we sum everything up. We sum everything up to get the answer. Did we get that right? Yes, di ba? So that's letter F. Next, letter G. Same as question letter E. But find the probability that the males will be it in the 6th round. Madali lang yan. It's a geometric probability distribution table. Pero dito sa mga kids na yan, sino yung mga lalaki dito? Sa gameplay, we have Robbie, Marco, Andre, they are the males. Si Omar, si Prince, lalaki rin. Tapos, kung yan sa recent, JJ, Zyren, yes, they're also males. So, 7 males. So, therefore, ang kailangan namin dapat ay 3 over 10 raised to the 5th power times 7 over 10. So, this is a geometric probability distribution table. Ayan, so yun yung solution sheet ko. And the answer must be 0.17%. Next, number 8. Ang sabi dito sa tanong, it's story 8 time. And the director requested 8 children to be part of the taping with all story 8 kids starring in it. Find the probability that also 2 boys who have the letter N in their names will be part of it. Ayan. So this one implies a hypergeometric probability distribution table. Kasi nga, there are 8 children. Kailangan ni direct ng 8 na bata doon sa sa story taping. Pero all the story kids must be there. So, di ba remember, may 8 na bata. So, if I were to write this down, eto kasi yun. Di ba remember sa story A, kailangan namin lang lahat ng bata. Lahat ng bata, that's 3. 3 kids. Si JJ, Erica. Wait lang po ha. Let me write it for you. Erica at Yesha. Tama? So, kailangan namin ng lahat ng mga bata dito. JJ, Erica, and Yesha. All the story kids must be there. So, therefore, that would be 8 minus 3. So, that's 5. So, that's 15. So, we need 5 more kids and 15 kids na lang from the population. So, therefore, we need to have our new set of values. Kasi nga, diba, remember, kasama natin yung mga story kids, diba? So, the director requested 8 children to be part of it. So, kailangan namin ng walang bata. Pero, since all the Story kids are starring on it, si JJ, Erica, and Yesha, therefore, mababawasan yung 3. So, therefore, from 18 children from the population, it will become 15 na lang. And since these 3 children are already chosen pa rin, so therefore, ang kailangan namin ay 5 na lang. So therefore, this is how it goes. Ang capital N ay 18 minus 3, which gives us 15. Tama. Ang lowercase n, which pertains to the sample, that's ano yun? We need 8, diba? Minus 3. So 5 na lang yung kailangan. Ang K namin, kasi nga, what is the probability that, that 2 boys who have their letter N in their names will be part of it. Yan, kasi nga, di ba, remember, kailangan namin yung mga boys. Yung mga boys na may letter N. Our X is 2. Kasi kailangan namin 2. Di ba? Pero, ilan sa mga boys na may kasamang N? Of course, hindi pwede kasama si JJ. Kasi nga, even though JJ were a boy, he's already part of story A. So, that's not counted. So, let's find all the names of the boys that have N. Let's type it down. Let's write it down on a piece of paper. So, getting another scratch paper, ganito kasi yun. I listed down all the names. Ilan yung may N? Nixie, ito. Zyren, Andre, Prince. So, 4. 4 out of 8 kids. So, therefore, ito yung K. Ang K namin ay 4. So, therefore, this is the question. Find the probability that 2 boys who have their letter N's in their names, ito yung mga lalaki. But the names that have N's is Nixie, Zyren, Andre, Prince. So that means our K is 4. Now we type the probability distribution table. So therefore, this is going to be 4 comb of 2. Diba, remember, that's the probability of success. Times the probability of failure. Let me write it for you. Diba, remember, ang probability of success, that is 4C2. Tapos capital N, that, diba, remember, that's 15 minus 5. 15 minus, ano yun? 15 minus 4. Diba? Kailangan namin na machulis, malis yung mga 4 na yan. And then combine 5 minus 2. Diba? And then all divide by the total, which is combine of 15 and 5 more. Tama? So, yun. Okay, so going back now to the problem. So, diba, remember this what I wrote? So, 4C2 and then 15C4, that's 11, diba? Because 4 plus 11 is 15. Tapos, 2, 5, 5 minus 2 is 3. Kaya nga, this hypergeometric formula explains why the combination formula makes sense like this. Because ang kailangan namin, yung N ay mag-add dito sa baba. Tapos yung R ay mag-add dito. So therefore, this becomes 11 and this becomes 3. So therefore, this is the proper solution that you're supposed to do for item number H. Okay? Now let's see if we're correct. Ito yun, di ba? Yes, 4C2 times 11C3 divide by combine 15C5. And the answer is 32.97%. Next, letter I. Same as letter H, but find the probability that at most 5 females will be part of it. Ayan, when we say at most, ibig sabihin 5 or less. Sino yung mga babae ay nasa Team A? Ito yung mga babae na nasa Team A, excluding Story A. Natananan mo, si Lady Pipay, let me write it for you. Si Lady Pipay ay nangja. Oh, sorry. Wait lang ha. Okay, so this is how you're gonna do it, okay? Now, these are the names of the girls who are part of the Team A. Diba, remember, sabi dito, it's Story A time, and then, diba, remember, ang question letter A, at most 5 females will be part of it. Ibig sabihin, at most 5. Diba, remember, less than, ano yun? Kasi nga, diba, remember, sa mga females na yan, at most 5, diba, remember, kasama na si Yesha, tsaka si Erica. So, therefore, dalawa na sila. You cannot, ano yun, you cannot remove them anymore. Kasi nga, sabi ni director niyan, we want all the team, the Story A kids to be there. Pero ang kailangan namin, less than 5. Ibig sabihin, we need to have, ano yun, other kids. Pero, pwede kasama yung ibang babae, pero as long as hindi siya more than 5. Let's say, for example, we want a combination, Yesha, Erica, Lady Pipay, Sophie, and Caitlyn. Pero hindi pwede kasama yung lahat yung babae na yan. So, therefore, we need to get 1 girl, 2 girls, or 3 girls. Kasi nga, if we have Yesha and Erica, plus one of these girls to make 3. Tapos, if we need 2 girls, Yesha and Erica, plus dalawang ito, para maging 4. Tama? Tapos, Yesha and Erica plus any of tatlong ito, tapos, it will be 5. Diba? So, therefore, this is going to be the formula as follows. Ito yung tanong ko dito sa letter J, sa letter I. Ito yun. Kasi nga, diba yung member sabi ko dito, at most 5 females should join. Therefore, that is kung wala yung mga ibang babae. If only 2 girls will be there. That means, diba yung member sabi ko dito, there are 8 kids who will be part of story A. Nama, kasama na si Yesha, tsaka si Erica, tsaka si JJ. Sure na yan, these 3 will be there. And the direct needs to find 5 more kids. Pero let's say, for example, kung dalawa yung babae, that means si Yesha, tsaka si Erica lang. That means, walang ibang babae. Ito kaya yung formula. Ang formula ay 7C0 kasi nga, diba, remember, that is the probability of success. That means, diba, remember, ito yung mga babae, diba? May 7 babae. Hindi na kailangan namin idagdag yan. Kasi nga, okay, sapat na yan si Erica tsaka si Yesha. And then, times 8C5. Kasi nga, lahat, yung probability of failure, lahat yung mga boys ay kukunin namin. Tapos, divide by 15C5 because there are only 15 na lang to choose from this population here. At kailangan namin mapipili tayo ng 5. So, therefore, this is the answer. Now, what if there are 3? That means, isang babae kaysa sa story ay pinili dyan. So, 7C1 times 8C4 divide by combine of 15C5. So, yan. And you will get this answer. Pag dalawa, 7C2, 8C3, and 15C5. And 3, diba? So, 3 possible solutions. And then from there, we sum up everything to get the answer. We sum up the answers here. And we get 89.98. Sinum up na tayo yung ito. Yung itong mga probabilities. So, yan, diba? And you should get 89.98%. That is how the geometric probability distribution, hypergeometric probability distribution works. When you're doing filming. Tapos sure niyan, you want these people, pero you want the others not to be like that. Okay? Next, letter J. Same question pa rin dito sa story A. But this time, fewer than 3 new cast members participated. When we say new cast members, yung mga bagong bata. Pero sino yung mga bagong bata dito sa Team A? I will highlight this in green. Diba, remember, si Robbie, isa siya. Si Chunsa, si Caitlyn, at saka si Prince. JJ is already part of it. So therefore, kailangan namin ng 2. Kasi nga, diba, remember, sabi dito, fewer than 3 new cast members. When we say 0, pwede pa rin. Pero since kasama na si JJ doon, hindi pwede yung 0. Ang kailangan namin, 1 o 2 o 2. So therefore, kung dalawa, pipili ka ng isa dito. Either si Robbie, si Prince, si Caitlyn, o si Chunsa. Kung 3, pipili ka ng 2. Tama? Now here's the formula for letter J. This is how it will go out. So combine of, diba, remember the probability of failure is, the probability of success is not choosing a name. So that's 4C0. That means si JJ lang yung kasama. And then we still need to choose 11 more. So 11C7, 11C5. Diba? Kasi nga, diba, remember, 3 story A kids ay nandiyan. There are 3 story A kids who have already participated. So we still need to choose 5 more. Yung mga hindi ako nag-encircle, yung mga, those are the other kids. All divided by 15C5. Tapos dito naman, if one of them whom I encircled will join. And then 4 of them whom I did not encircle will also join. Diba? So yun. That means fewer than 3. That means only 2. And then we sum up the probabilities together and we should get this answer. Diba? We should get this. 59.34%. Yan! Next, letter K. The average number of takes that Team A cast had is 12 per hour. Kasi remember, they need to do 12 takes in order to complete an episode. I'm just assuming. Find the probability that fewer than 4 takes is needed to complete the hour. Yeah, fewer than 4 takes is needed to complete the hour. That means all the Poisson probability distributions must be added. However, there is a shortcut to it. And that is ito yun. Diba, remember, we type here Poisson, diba? Poisson this. And then we want fewer than 4. So therefore, this is 4 minus 1. Tapos ang mean namin, ilan yung mga mean takes, diba? The average number of takes, 12. And then we want true. Kasi nga we want the cumulative function from 0 to 3. And you will still get the same answer of 0.002291. Diba? Now, if I were to do this in the tabular method, it will go like this, diba? So ito yun. Poisson this, 0, 12, and false. Yung naka-red, that's 1. Yung naka-orange, that's 2. Tapos, this one is 3. And then 4. Tapos, sinam ko lahat. Diba? Yes, ito yung ginawa ko. Okay? Now, for letter L, the last number is this. Same pa rin sa letter K. But this time, find the probability that there will be more than 5 takes to complete the taking. To complete the 45-minute taking. More than 5. Ayan. And furthermore, another plot twist pa. Kasi nga meron siyang, ano yun? Meron siyang new mean. Kasi nga sabi dito, 45-minute taking. We know 1 hour is worth, diba remember, if we were to write this, 1 hour is worth 60 means. Pero, sabi dito 45 means. So therefore, our new lanta will be 3/4 hours. Okay? Ito dapat yung sagot namin. 3/4 hours. So we need to do a 45-minute taking. And that's 3/4 hours. So therefore, that will be our lanta. So therefore, our mean of 5 takes will be multiplied by 3/4. Let's see if we get it right. So ito yun. Diba remember ito yung solution ko? So Poisson distribution table, this is 0.12. Bakit 0, 0, and then 12? Kasi nga it's 45-minute taking. Kasi diba remember, there are 12 takes, diba? The mean is, ano yun? The mean is 12 per hour. Pero what you call this, you still need to multiply that by ano yun? By, that's multiplied by 3/4. Kasi nga, diba remember, 12 divided by 4 is, ano yun? Is 3. And 3 times 3 is 9. So therefore, this will be our, and it's false. Diba? This will be our answer. And then, this will be for 1 take, 2 takes, 2 takes, 3 takes. Diba remember, I multiplied that by 3/4 to give me 9. And then 4, and then 5, and then 6. 6, diba? 5, diba? Kasi nga sabi ko dito, diba remember, this is, the red is 0, the orange is 1, the yellow is 2, the green is 3, the light blue is 4, the blue is 5, tapos yung naka-violet, sinam ko lahat. Tapos ang tanong ko dito, it takes more than 5 takes to complete the 45-minute taking. More than 5. Ibig sabihin, not the, ano yun, not this one from 0 to, ano yun, to 5. You know what they say, if you are to make a Poisson probability distribution table, this can show emphasis. Diba? You will see why. And then we sum up everything so that we will get this. 11.56%. Tapos, ang ginawa ko, 1 minus the one in shaded in violet to give me the answer of 88.4%. That means, ibig sabihin, there's an 88.43% chance that there will be more than 5 takes needed to complete this 45-minute taking. And of course, this might happen if in case lang talaga, yun naman, yung mga teaming kids, hindi sila nag-participate. So, yung mga ganun. Another way on how you can do this is to apply this function. 1 minus Poisson distribution. Kasi nga, diba, remember, yung Poisson distribution ang kailangan namin ay more than 5. Kasi nga, more than 5, ibig sabihin, 6 or more. So, therefore, it's gonna be 5, which is the mean. Kasama yung 5 doon, from 0 to 5. Ang gusto namin kukunin ay 6, 7, 8, and so on. Kaya 1 minus the one that we want. Kasi nga yung Poisson distribution table, kapag cumulative function true, it'll give us the probabilities that are from 0 up to the mean inclusively. Pero hindi kasama yung 5, so therefore we need to write 5. And then our mean is 9, because bakit 9 yung mean? Diba dapat 12 yung lanta namin? Eh kasi nga we multiplied by 3, 4 dahil sa ano yun? Sa 45-minute taking. And then we type 2. Diba? And we need to subtract that from 1 because, yun nga, diba remember we were to get this, we would get this answer of, what's the answer here? Yeah, you would still get the same answer. Kasi nga, if we are to do this, diba remember naglagay tayo dito. We type there Poisson this, then we type 5, lambda will be 9, tapos TRUE. If we get this, we are correct. Tama? Then, we need to subtract this from 1 because hindi kailangan namin yung 11%. We need to, ano yun? We need to get the probability that will be more than. So yun nga, that's exactly the answer. 88.43%. That's it.